Oh, mama, stand. No, you stand up. You got an 85 South Show glitter dress. Ooh.
Turn around, mama, show her. Ooh, boy, her ass all on the back of your head. Move. Ooh.
Hell yeah.
Ooh.
I love a bitch you can't hug all the way.
You better hit her shoulders.
You be trying to hug her like that.
This nigga is retarded,
For
bro.
real, bro. I love you, baby.
I love
you
you,
fine.
bro.
Like that glitter.
All that glitter.
All that glitter.
She got a dress made out of Michael Jackson gloves.
Yeah. She got that ass. It's all up on her back.
Yep.
Little nigga like me be jumping up on that ass like the bouncy house.
I want some.
Get off my girl booty, man.
Hold
what
up.
is she doing?
Chico, you gotta hit it,
Gonna do
Chico.
Hey, man, get off my girl booty, man. What is wrong with
Hold
you?
up, y'all fucked up. You ain't do no back and flip. Boy, y'all thought
Don't do that. Don't you fucking do it.
Don't you do it. Not on
be
this
fucked
couch.
up.
This is the trap
That'd be
house
some
couch.
dumbass shit your cousin come over your house and try to do. Do a backflip off the couch, break the goddamn arm.
You bullshitting. I can do it one
Now your
time.
mama come home. How the fuck did the goddamn arm? Who the fuck broke the goddamn arm?
Hey,
I can't have shit.
Hey, you know what happened? When your mama come home, all y'all sitting there waiting to see who gonna get their ass whooped first.
She walk in and already know y'all on some bullshit. What the fuck y'all looking so goddamn stupid
Remember that
for?
conversation y'all had before she come home, though? Everybody, hey, look.
Who broke it? You.
I know I did, but...
You tried to do a backflip off of...
But you told me to
No,
do
but
it.
you the one, you got up there and when you broke it, you...
Everybody, calm down. Look, we just gonna say that we came in the house and it was like that.
She not gonna believe that, stupid.
But we...
Hold up, let me fix it.
She not gonna believe it. Ooh, I got a perfect idea.
What?
It was a tornado.
What kind of tornado?
A big one.
Okay.
Man, that shit ain't staying up, man.
Damn, man. Why y'all
It's
do
broke,
that?
man. We got...
I go get some glue from that though.
Yeah, no.
Get up.
Put that one together.
Oh, yeah.
We need a cover.
Yeah, put that over there. Put that over there.
Then Chico, you just act like you sleep when she come in.
Set it up right. Set it up right.
Now straighten it up.
Hold up. Y'all hear that? Who? She coming in. She coming.
Huh?
Hey, Mom.
You said come here?
Hey, Mom.
Come in your room? Huh? No, ain't nothing wrong with it. What you mean, why it's pushed together with... She said move the couch. Who the fuck broke that goddamn... Bring your motherfucking ass over here!
I didn't do nothing. No, because I told him to stop. And he didn't want to stop. Okay. Mama wants you.
Tell her I'm dead already.
Mama, he said him dead already. Okay. She said you better get your black ass in there before she kill you again. Get up! Stop playing. She gonna beat all of us. Go in there and tell her what you did. We supposed to go to play ride bikes. Go tell her you sorry. Mama, him said, Okay. She said if she got to get up out that bed and miss the rest of her stories fucking with your stupid ass, you gonna wish you wasn't born. So you better get up and go in there and talk to her, or else everybody getting fucked up.
Get up, boy. You better get up. I ain't getting another woman. You better get your ass up, boy.
I told y'all, damn.
Stupid ass. Help me clean the living room. Go on in there. He the scariest one.
Mama, you hungry? Yes. I didn't. No, I didn't. No, I don't want to. No, I don't want to. Why y'all do that? Why y'all tell I did that? Y'all give me
That's what your ass get.
Why y'all do that?
You okay?
I think so.
Let me see.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
You bleed, John.
You bleed.
You bleed.
What she hit you with?
Everything.
Hey, Big Jim Country Boy here. Thanks, like, subscribe.